Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you're well. What we're going to do first is we are going to go into the App Store on your iPad. You need to make sure that you have got your parents' permission, or you have got the App Store open for your use. So you will probably see the word get, like you can see in the middle here for Kilo Blocks Lite and Mini World Block Art. However, you can see that I've got mine open because I've gone to get the Minecraft Education Edition, and I've gone and got and downloaded it. Okay, so where it says open, it will either say get because it is a free application, or if you've downloaded it before, it will have a little cloud that you will see in a second, or you will have open because you've already downloaded it. Okay. The second application that you need is Google Drive. Okay. So here is the little cloud with the download arrow. And so I've already downloaded this before and used it. Okay. It is imperative to use this time. Normally we ask you to use this in Safari, but for your Minecraft worlds, we have to send our Minecraft worlds into Google Drive, and the easiest way for you to do this is to go and get Google Drive app. It's not very big. You can see how fast it's downloading here, and I have very slow internet. Once it's downloaded, we have to go and sign in with our usual school account and then put in your school password. And it is the same for both applications. Okay, it's the same for both. It's the same for both school. So here it already knows me. I've already signed in today. All right, beforehand. All right. So you can see that I've got a test world here that I've already downloaded and used, and it's called an MC World app. Okay. So in here, you can see that when I've downloaded Minecraft, so I'm just going to cancel this, it will say when I've opened up Minecraft in an iPad, it will say accept the terms. I don't need to do this, I need to go and sign in. It'll say you must be signed in with your school account. I'm going to go and sign in. It'll say who are you, so I'm going to put my school account in, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and put my password in because this is school. Look, it says school. Okay, signing in as me. Internet. And so what we're going to do is quickly show you now is that we can go and play. It's got my name and it can do all the things that you're going to do. That's it so far. Okay, in the next session we're going to show you how to send your world into Google Drive. Okay, that's going to be really important.